What you got? Yeesh. I'm gonna throw that again. Ready? Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Give. Give. Oops. Good girl. Ready? Good girl. There's going to be a killing of that squeak thing. Oops. Is she getting you, huh? Oh, look what I've got again. You drop it, you lose it. Stop that. You're hurting her. What are you doing? What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Huh? Good girl, Mish. Let's get that squeak toy.